Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a mulligatawny soup. It's a nice vegetable soup with a kick to it, a bit of spice in there, a bit of curry powder. I'll go through all the ingredients. It's a perfect soup for these winter nights that are coming up, getting towards the Christmas period. So let's get started. So here is the Ninja soup maker. We're going to be using that today. Down here on our chopping board we have 2 cloves of garlic. We've got 3 green finger chilies, 1 vegetable stock cube, 1 leek, which I'll be chopping up, 1 onion, which I'll be chopping up, potato, also chopped, 1 large carrot. We have some medium curry powder, and here we have some red lentils. I'll be rinsing those before we put them in. So there's the leek all chopped up, and into the soup maker it goes. Now we have the onion, potato and carrot all chopped up. Let's get that into the soup maker as well. Here we have the curry powder, the chopped chilli, a vegetable stock cube and some grated garlic, 2 cloves. Let's get that in. So that's all in there. Now we're going to add the red lentils that we've rinsed. As you can see, I've added the water to the max hot fill line. Let's get the lid on and get this thing cooking. So let's turn on the machine. This is going to be a chunky soup, so all we're going to do is hit chunky soup. The 30-minute timer begins, and that will cook all our ingredients nicely, and we'll have a lovely soup at the end of it. And here we are, it's nearly finished and I cannot wait to give it a go. It's the sort of soup that will warm you up on these winter evenings. And there we go, it's done. Let's put it in a bowl and give it a taste. So here's our soup in a bowl. I've put some black pepper in it. It's really, really hot at the moment, as in heat hot, not spice hot. It's just come off of the soup maker, but we're going to give it a bit of a taste. That really has a kick to it. The chilies in there, the medium spiced curry powder, all adds to it. That's a beautiful soup. That's really going to be nice with some bread and some spread. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. It really does make a difference to the channel. And if you haven't done already, hit the subscribe button to see lots more content and lots more recipes. Thank you for watching, guys. See you for now. Bye.